This is an SAT math question. Step 1, read and understand the question. Point F lies on a unit circle in the XY plane and has coordinates 1, 0. Point G is the center of the circle and has coordinates 0, 0. Point H also lies on the circle and has coordinates -1y, where y is a constant. Which of the following could be the positive measure of angle FGH in radians? Read and understand the question and answer choice. Then all the answer choices are different number of radians. So now I'm going to, maybe I don't know what to do, or I know what to do and I want to draw the situation just to keep it clear. If I don't know what to do, I'm going to draw the situation. Maybe it will become clear. So here I have the circle. It says the center is 0, 0, so well, that looks pretty good. All right, so here's the center. Center is G, 0, 0. Point F is at 1, 0. And H is at -1, y. There's H. Well, if it's on the circle, there's only one value of y it can have. Here's a line that's at x equals -1. It only touches that circle in one place, -1, 0. Which, if you know the unit circle, and in radians, this is 0 radians or 2 pi radians. This is pi over 2 radians. This is pi radians. This is 3 pi over 2. I remember the unit circle just keeps repeating and repeating and repeating and repeating. So it goes around 2 pi, then the second time around is 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi, 12 pi, etc. So if I divide these by 2 pi, and then I'll look at the remainder and see how much extra it goes around. If it goes pi around extra after dividing by 2 pi, however many times 2 pi, then I've got my answer because it's got the same, it's at the same coordinate. So 27 pi over 2 divided by 2 pi, I'll go to Desmos and do this. 27 pi over 2 divided by 2 pi. Oh, I don't want the pi in there. Well, actually, I don't want the pi at all because the pi's are going to cancel, and if I put the pi's in here, it's going to come up with a number. So 27 pi over 2 divided by, well, wait a minute. I've got this 2 out here. It's causing me trouble. Okay, divided by 2. I guess now if I put the pi in there, hopefully the pi's will cancel. Well, they will cancel. Yeah, it comes out to 6.7 pi. I was multiplying and the pi's was squared. So I can put the pi in there, 6.75. Well, the remainder is 0.75, and what's 0.75 times 2, the original divisor? 1.5. So that means I go around this thing 6 times, I get back to the start, and then I'll do this in blue. It goes around, it goes 1.5 pi. So here's 1.5 pi. That's at 3 pi over 2. That's not at pi. So remember, it talks about coterminal angles. Sine, cosine, tangent, the unit circle keep repeating over and over. So I want to get pi away from the origin. All right, 29 pi over 2 divided by 2 pi. I'll just change this one to 29 pi over 2 divided by 2 pi, 7.25. The remainder is 0.25 times 2 is 0.5. So this one goes around 7 times, and then it goes another quarter of the way around, which is pi over 2. That's not at pi. That one's out. 24 pi. Well, I'll just do this one down here because, wait a minute, it's not letting me click. What's going on here? My Desmos is not letting me click. I guess I'll have to reload it. 24 pi divided by 2 pi. 12. So it's just 12 complete times around the unit circle. I'm back at 2 pi. That's not pi. That's not pi. It's coterminal with 2 pi or 0. That one's out. 25 pi looks like it. 25 pi divided by 2 pi is 12.5. 0.5 times 2 is 1. Multiplied by the original divisor. So that means I go around 12 times, and then I go another half of 2 around, or one more pi around, which brings me to pi. So this is the answer. The answer is D.